construction of tangents, I said, we'll be doing it with the help of practical example only. So now see, just as we saw division of line segment, two types were there. Either by drawing one angle and marking all the equidistant points, or drawing alternate angles, first ratio at the top, second ratio at the bottom. Likewise, construction of tangents, two types of constructions we have. Remember, we have two constructions of tangents wherein first case an external point is given, a point outside the circle is given. So from a point outside the circle, how many tangents do we have?
A pair of tangents.
Pair of tangents means how many tangents? Two tangents. From an external point, we are going to have two tangents. That is one type of construction. Another type of construction, second, when the angle between the tangents will be given. Now, simple, if the angle between two tangents is given, then angle at center we know is going to be supplementary, because these two, radius and tangent angles, are 90-90. So if here it is 60, at the center between two radii it must be 120. If here it is 80, inside it should be 100. Simple thing it is. Only simple two constructions are there. Out of that, let us start with number one construction. Construction of tangents. In that, number one, write down. To construct a pair of tangents, from an external point, from a given external point, from a given external point. Okay, very simple exercise, simple construction. Let me take a question from our solved examples itself. Have they given us an example? Okay, directly exercise 11.2 we can take. Write down the question if you want. Write it down only, the question, all of you. Also give the justification. Draw a circle of center of radius 6. Draw a circle of radius 6, and from a point 10 centimeters away from its center, construct the pair of tangents. Now, as usual, first I will give you the steps of construction. Very easy. You will follow the steps, you will get the answer. Steps of construction. Number one, draw the given circle with center O and radius equal to 6 centimeters. Simple, we have to draw a circle of 6 centimeter radius and radius equal to 6 centimeters. Now, they are saying a point 10 centimeter away from the center. Means from O there is a point 10 centimeters away. So write, draw a line OP is equal to 10 centimeters. Simple, draw a line OP of 10 centimeters. Number 3, construct the perpendicular bisector of OP such that M is the midpoint of OP. Draw the perpendicular bisector to get the midpoint M. Now, draw another circle with M. Another circle, it should be dotted. It would be better if you draw it a dotted circle. It would be better if you could draw it a dotted circle or a very, very faint circle. Draw another circle dotted with M at center and radius equal to what? Either OM or PM, because OM and PM are equal, because M is the midpoint of OP. So radius equal to OM equal to PM, any one radius, such that it intersects the given circle at 2 points A and B. A and B. Join PA and PB to get the required tangents. Directly you are going to get P and PB as a tangents. Measure them. Simple thing is measure them. Very, very simple construction. Start doing. Straight away start doing the construction. So very easy is the construction. They have told us draw a circle. So we have drawn a circle of radius 6 and center O. Draw a line OP. ठीक है. Draw a line OP. So this is OP, which is 10 centimeters. And now they're telling us to construct the perpendicular bisector of OP. How do you construct? Take from O more than half, from P cut the distances, and you will get the perpendicular bisector somewhere like this. The perpendicular bisector, because see, this OP is 10 centimeters ka line. So obviously this is going to be 6 and 4. So from O you would have marked this point here, this point here. From P you would have cut this point, you would have cut this point. Yes or no, children?
Yes.
And now this point has become point M. With M as a center, you're going to draw another circle which will exactly pass through O and P. The circle which is going to pass through O and P, I told that this has to be dotted. Try to keep this circle as dotted. I don't have the provision of keeping it dotted. So now I'm going to construct it with my blue pen. Check. Such that you have got 2 points A and B. This point is A, this point is B. And I said if you draw from P and A, you are definitely going to get a tangent like this, PA. And another tangent you're going to get PB. Check whether you're going to get the same tangents. Are you getting the same figure, children? Are you getting the same figure?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt with this figure? Any doubt? Now, the justification part. Okay, let me join OA. Let me join OA. What is OA going to be? Is OA the radius of the first circle, children?
Yes, sir.
Huh. Now, we have to justify, I have to prove that PA is a tangent. And when can PA be the tangent? When can the line PA be a tangent? When is a
When the
line
radius is
tangent?
perpendicular to the tangent.
That means if the radius and tangent are perpendicular, then, or if radius is perpendicular to any line, then that line becomes a tangent. This is our proof. First proof that if for a radius a line is perpendicular, it is going to become a tangent. So I have to prove that this line is perpendicular. Now, can you see that OP is a diameter of the new circle? OP is a diameter, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And diameter subtends a right angle in the semicircle. Similarly, if I would have joined OB, OP is a diameter, diameter makes a right angle, and line perpendicular to radius PB is always going to be the tangent. Line perpendicular to the radius OA, that is PA, is always going to be a tangent. Do you understand even the justification part very easily?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? And also check whether your angle OAP, join OA and check it has to be a 90-degree angle. Automatically it will come as a 90-degree angle. That is the beauty of construction, children. Your angle OAP is going to be a right angle. Check it out. So I'm writing the justification parts. For the newly constructed circle with center M वाला center वाला circle, diameter OP subtends right angles in the semicircles. Therefore, angle OAP is equal to angle OBP is equal to 90 degrees. Is equal to 90 degrees. Yes or no, children? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So OA perpendicular to PA and OB perpendicular to PB. But OA and OB are the radii of the given circle. OA and OB are the radii of the given circle. But OA and OB are the radii of the given circle. And we know that radius is perpendicular to the tangent. Radius is perpendicular to the tangent. Hence, PA and PB are the required tangents. Also, they had told us to measure PA and PB. How much is the PA? Did you measure PA? here itself in the figure. And did you get it as 8 centimeters?
Yes, sir.
Are we getting PA and PB as 8 centimeters? Check it out. And again, by Pythagoras theorem, I knew it. By Pythagoras, I knew it. If OA is 6 and OP is 10, then 6, 8, and 10 is a Pythagorean triplet. So obviously, P and PB had to be 8 centimeters. I knew it at the back of my mind. And I checked by actually measuring. They are actually 8 centimeters. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Have we understood this construction? Any difficulty with this part? Have we understood this construction, children?
Yes.
Again, I will repeat the construction. All of you will pay attention once. Draw the given circle. Draw the line OP because P is at a 10 centimeters from the center. So draw the given circle, draw OP. Perpendicular bisector of OP. Wherever it intersects midpoint, from midpoint, another circle. Wherever it intersects, you get the two tangents. Any difficulty?
No, sir.
Any difficulty about this? Have you all completed this part?
Yes, sir.
Aditya Raj is not present today. Aditya Raj. Okay, someone please take the, wait a minute. Someone please take the screenshot of the screen. Take the screenshot of the screen. Taken.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Take,
sir.
take a screenshot here also. Taken?
Yes, sir.
Good. All of you are going to rejoin. Everybody is rejoining immediately. Don't go anywhere. We are continuing our construction. Rejoin all of you.